Pakibasa niyo lang po yung first sentence na sasalaysay ninyo.
From my experience, I can say that the PNP is the biggest crime group in this country.
When you say that the PNP is the biggest crime group in the country, ang leader ng crime group na yon ay si Gerald De La Rosa.
It may be, Your Honor.
Who is the leader of the PNP, which you consider as the crime group? Hindi ba yung chief PNP?
Yes,
And
sir.
therefore, he is the Lord.
Yes, Your Honor, Mr. Chair.
Do you honestly believe na hanggang ngayon malaki pa rin ang problema ng drugs natin sa probinsya natin sa Leyte?
Sa Leyte ngayon, Your Honors, because Kerwin Espinosa is bumalik na.
Yes.
Bumalik na naman, Your Honors.
Na-quit si Kerwin Espinosa and is now in Leyte.
Yes, Your Honor, Mr. Chair. He is running now for the mayor in Albuera.
Paano nagkaroon ng baril yung isang preso sa isang jail?
That Mayor Espinosa talagang tinabaho lang ng walang kalaban-laban.
Now, I will go to page 3. Number 16. Colonel Espinido, pakibasa niyo nga ho yung second sentence ninyo.
I believe Chief De La Rosa was involved in the dismissal of the cases that I built up against Kerwin Espinosa, including the burying of the cases that I was building against his police protectors or cuddlers who have been receiving money from him.
Colonel, medyo mabigat din itong statement na ito. Bakit buong paniwala nyo na ito nga ho yung ginawa ni Chief De La Rosa at the time?
Your Honors, Mrs. Chair, ang police, pag ikaw mapailan ng complaint sa RIAS, the RIAS will conduct an investigation
Yes.
recommending the penalty of that said police officer to the regional director. If the police involved make an appeal, it will go to NAB, National, then the Chief PNP will now decide if go or no go ang penalty na dismissal from the service sa mga na-involved na police. Sila lang ang may authority, yung RD at saka si PNP, na mag-decide na, Your Honors, ito siya i-dismiss to. Ito, hindi. May kasalanan ka o wala, Your Honors.
Colonel Espinido, punta ho tayo sa page 6, dun sa affidavit ninyo. And please go to number 34. Pakibasa niyo lang po yung first sentence na sasalaysay ninyo.
From my experience, I can say that the PNP is the biggest crime group in this country, Your Honors.
Is that true?
Yes, Your Honors.
Mabigat, Colonel, itong salaysay na ito, ha? I will not ask you the names now, pero sa executive session na rin. Are you saying all of this because malapit na po kayo mag-retire sa serbisyo?
Yes, Your Honors.
And you seem to be so displeased. Hindi ho kayo naging masaya sa mga panghitabo ba? Sa mga pangyayari?
Yes, Your Honors.
What do you plan to do upon retirement? Ano ang gusto ninyong gawin for your community, sa simbahan ninyo, for your people?
To continue siguro, Your Honor, sa pag-evangelist. Tapos na ako sa trabaho as a public servant, then yun naman ang sa Panginoon ko. Because in Matthew chapter 6 verse 33, it says that seek ye first the kingdom of God and His righteousness, and all of these things shall be added unto you. Yun ang gawin ko, Your Honors, if God's will. Mag-missionary lang.
Colonel Espinido, do you honestly believe na hanggang ngayon malaki pa rin ang problema ng drugs natin sa probinsya natin sa Leyte?
Sa Leyte ngayon, Your Honors, because Kerwin Espinosa is bumalik na.
Yes.
Bumalik na naman, Your Honors.
Paano
Very obvious.
kasi magkaubanda sa atong probinsya? Ang atong speaker nasad sa atong probinsya. What do you think is the best thing that can be done para mabawasan ang problema ng drugs doon sa probinsya natin?
Your Honors, ang police lang talaga ang magsulba sa lahat ng problema. Walang kasali, hindi kasali ang mga elected officials. Only the police because we have the power mandated by laws to implement the law without fear or favor. That is our mission, to maintain and prevent, to serve and protect. Yun lang sana, Your Honors, ang police isinasabuhay yung mission at saka yung core values na pro-God, God-fearing, hindi tumatanggap ng pera. Matapos yung problema ng drugs, Your Honors and Lady.
Thank you, Colonel Espinido.
Cases were filed against Kerwin Espinosa, right?
Yes, Your Honor, Mr. Chair.
May I know what unit filed the cases against him?
Yung sa illegal drugs, Your Honor, na na-search natin yung sa bahay nila at saka firearms, and one responsible for filing of complaint against Kerwin Espinosa and Mayor Espinosa is the CIDG and joint with the Provincial Intelligence Office, Your Honor, Mr. Chair.
Okay. And you also stated that na-acquit si Kerwin Espinosa and is now in Leyte.
Yes, Your Honor, Mr. Chair.
Na-dismiss lahat yung kaso na final laban sa kanya.
According sa result ng media, Your Honor, and yung documentation na may release order na daw siya kasi na-dismiss lahat ang mga kaso niya.
Thank you. And he is now in Leyte.
Yes, Your Honor, Mr. Chair.
Thank you. And still operating.
Hindi lang
An illegal
nag-operate.
drug business.
Hindi lang mag-operate, Your Honor, kasi he is running now for the mayor in Albuera.
Thank you.
Yes,
Now,
Your
we
Honor.
go to the father, Mayor Rolando Espinosa.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes.
Mr. Chair.
Mayor Espinosa surrendered to the Chief PNP, then General Bato de la Rosa. Tama?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
And then, eventually, the mayor was turned over to your custody.
Yes, Your Honor, Mr. Chair.
Now, when he was turned over to your custody, ano po ang instruction sa iyo?
Joby, tulungan mo si Mayor Espinosa, proteksyonan mo siya. Kasi magsasabi siya ng marami sa inyo. So, yun, natandaan ko, Your Honor, Mr. Chair.
And marami po ba siya talagang sinabi sa inyo?
Marami, Your Honor, Mr. Chair.
Ayan yung sinasabi po ninyo na magsabi siya ng mga listahan ng mga police officials na nasa listahan na kumukuha ng kuwan sa kanya pera.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Tama. And would you still have those documents?
Na file ko na, Your Honor, Mr. Chair, yung sa different department ng government natin kasi nag-file tayo sa Ombudsman, sa RIAS, but the folder, the original, before I assign in Uzamis, I turn over it to my provincial director with the person of Colonel Franco Simborio, Your Honor, Mr. Chair.
But may I know, if you know, what happened to all those cases na na-file?
Exonerated, Your Honor, Mr. Chair.
Lahat?
Lahat.
Now, may I know why the late Mayor Rolando Espinosa was taken out of your custody?
Number one, Your Honor, Mr. Chair, Mayor Espinosa, mayroon siyang reservation sa sarili niya. Nagsabi siya sa akin na, Sir, wag mo lang ako i-turn over kasi papatayin talaga ako. So, ang ginawa ko, Your Honor, Mr. Chair, nag-request ako for a motion for custody sa judge doon sa Baybay. In which ang judge naman, verbally, nag-usap kami na aproban niya next week. Pero nandoon na si Mayor sa kulungan. Nung Saturday na yon, hindi pa dumating ng Monday, tinira na si Mayor Espinosa.
So, nauna na transfer siya sa Baybay Leyte
Yes, Your Honor.
before
Mr. Chair.
you filed your motion na to take custody of the late Mayor Espinosa.
Yes, Your Honor, Mr. Chair.
Okay. And then, what transpired was, correct me if I'm wrong, nagkaroon ng search doon sa Baybay
Chill, Your Honor.
jail. Tama, at allegedly, nagkaroon ng enkwentro.
Yun ang sabi nila, Mr. Chair.
Walang report yon?
Mayroon, ginawa man yun na investigation sa Senate, Your Honor, Mr. Chair, but yun ang nangyari daw na may baril at saka may drug si Mayor Espinosa.
Now, paano makakalaban ng isang preso? Unang-unang tanong pala, paano nagkaroon ng baril yung isang preso sa isang jail? Ano tingin po ninyo?
Your Honor, Mr. Chair, may mga interview ako na I am very bold and brave to say that Mayor Espinosa talagang tinabaho lang ng walang kalaban-laban. Kilala ko na si Mayor Espinosa, mabait na. Siya nga, Your Honor, Mr. Chair, ang maglilid ng worship sa amin sa police station every 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock in the morning.
So you're of the opinion na kasama po siya dun sa EJK ng mga drug lords?
Perhaps, or maybe, Your Honor, Mr. Chair.
Hindi, tinatanong ko lang naman yung opinion mo eh. May kung alam po ninyo, kung anong unit yung nag-operate or nag-serve ng search warrant sa jail na yon?
Criminal Investigation and Detection Group, 8, Your Honor, in Region 8.
Region 8.
Tacloban. Lead
Regional
by,
8 office.
yes, lead by Colonel Marvin Marcos, Your Honor, Mr.
Marvin
Marcos, Your Honor.
Marcos. And Colonel Marvin Marcos is still in the service?
Yes. He
Yes.
promote after, Your Honor, Mr. Chair.
He was promoted,
Promoted, yes, Your Honor.
thereafter.
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. Now, let's go to your assignment sa Ozamis. Bakit nasabi mo na parang inassign ka ron para mapatay?
Your Honor, Mr. Chair, for the information naman sa lahat, Paruhinog is an organized crime groups for almost 30 to 40 years.
Leader ng Coratong Baliling.
Baliling, Your Honor,
Yes.
Mr. Chair.
So, ang nasa isipan mo, pinadala ka ron para mayari ka ng Coratong Baliling?
Yes,
Ganun
Your
po ba?
Honor, Mr. Chair.
Yun ang tingin sa'yo?
Yes,
Now,
Your
when
Honor.
you were assigned there, what were your instructions given by your superiors?
Ganun lang, Your Honor, Mr. Chair. Job, sige, ikaw lang bahala. Kung trabahoin mo dyan sa Ozamis. Kasi isog ka ba? Parang ganun, Your Honor, Mr. Chair. Pag-intindi ko naman, kasi ako ang implementor, ako naman ang managot, ako ang makulong kung mangyari na hindi ko gawin ang tama. So, yun talaga ang in-observe ko, Your Honor. That's why dumating ng 6 months, 5 to 6 months ang nangyari before nag-join kami ng CIDG 10 para sa search warrant.
Who was then the mayor of Ozamis when you were assigned there?
Mayor Aldong Paruhinog, Your Honor, Senior.
Mayor na siya noon.
Yes, Your Honor.
Oo. Hindi siya barangay captain.
Hindi, Your Honor. Ang anak lang niya ang Vice Mayor, si Nova Princess Paruhinog.
Yes, yung babae. May I know where she is now? Nasa kulungan pa ba?
She is convicted, si Nova Paruhinog,
Kaya
Your
nga,
Honor.
nasa kulungan pa?
Nasa kulungan, Your Honor.
Okay, thank you.
Life sentence.
Now, there was an operation by shall we say, neutralize the Paruhinog family. Were you the one who operated or who implemented this?
The CIDG, Your Honor, Mr. Chair, ang nag-apply ng search warrant. Joint lang kami ang local police ng Ozamis City, Your Honor. Mr.
So
Chair.
kasama ka?
Yes, Your Honor, Mr. Chair.
Now, may I ask you, as a police officer, in accordance with your POP ba, yung pag-operate? When I say POP, Police Operational Procedures,
Yes, Your Honor, Mr. Chair.
did you do it in accordance with your Police Operational Procedures?
Yes,
Yung search, implementation of the search warrant, 6 yata yon.
Yes, Your Honor, Mr. Chair.
Bakit 15 o 16 ang namatay? Why?
That is simultaneous implementation of search warrant, Your Honor, Mr. Chair. May sa ibang side sa anak si Nova Paruhinog, may dalawa na namatay yung security, isa ang buhay. They are all fully armed of long firearms, M16. At saka sa farm ni Mayor Aldong Paruhinog, farm ni Ardot Paruhinog, at saka sa mansyon ni Ardot Paruhinog, may namatay. Hindi lahat yun sa bahay ni Aldong Paruhinog, Your Honor, Mr. Chair.
So lumaban sila? They refused to obey yung search warrant?
Yes, Your Honor, Mr. Chair. When in fact, may police investigator na kasama ko doon sa first vehicle, una ang natamaan before we drop from on board of the vehicle, siya ang unang natamaan. At saka doon na, Your Honor, Mr. Chair, ang exchange of fire sa going to security ni Aldong Paruhinog, Your Honor, Mr. Chair.
Thank you. Let's go to yung famous na statement mo, paragraph 34. From my experience, I can say that the PNP is the biggest crime group in this country. Ang ibig mo bang sabihin, yung Chief PNP ang Lord of crime? Kasi pag sinabi mo na yung PNP ang isang crime syndicate, ang big boss niyan ay yung Chief PNP. Siya ba ang big boss ng criminal syndicate known as the Philippine National Police?
Your Honor, Mr. Chair, I don't want to make any statement that the PNP itself is organized crime groups, but ang Chief PNP, siya kasi, Your Honor, Mr. Chair, it's very obvious na siya lahat, galing sa kanya lahat ang instruction.
During the time of what? Of who?
General Bato, Your Honor,
General
Mr. Chair.
De La Rosa. So, nung panahon na yon, when you say that the PNP is the biggest crime group in the country, ang leader ng crime group na yon ay si General De La Rosa.
It may be, Your Honor.
No,
I'm not
asking
referring
you kasi
for the PNP.
tinatanong kita dahil yun ang statement mo eh. Di ba? From my experience, I can say that the PNP is the biggest crime group in this country. Who is the leader of the PNP, which you consider as the crime group? Hindi ba yung Chief PNP?
Yes,
and
Your
therefore, he's the Lord.
Yes, Your Honor, Mr. Chair.
Tama.
Yes, Your Honor, Mr. Chair.
Would that be a correct conclusion of mine?
I am with you, Mr. Chair.
Thank you. Sa tingin mo, Colonel Espinido, tatlong assignment, kasama ka sa drug list, pero wala naman nangyayari sa'yo. Di ba? Kagaya ng iba na nasa drug list. Napunta-punta ka nga sa ibang lugar, at sa tingin ko, to do the dirty job. Tama ba yung aking observation?
Yes, Your Honor, Mr. Chair.
And hindi mo ba na-feel na ginagamit ka lang?
Sometimes, Your Honor, Mr. Chair, yun ang ma-feel ko na parang ganun lang. Pero as a law enforcer, Your Honor, Mr. Chair, I cannot really refuse an order. But for me, mayroon naman tayong pag-iisip sa anong tama na gawin natin as a police officer.
So, if I follow up your answer to my question on paragraph 34, yung Chief PNP din noon ang head ng mga nagko-conduct ng extrajudicial killings. Kasi he's the head of the crime group.
Your Honor, Mr. Chair, sorry, allow me not to answer your
I'm just following the logic of your answers, of your statements in your affidavit. Sinusundan ko lang yun.
I can say, Your Honor, Mr. Chair, that I am with you if we talk about the drug syndicate, but extrajudicial killings, yes, I cannot really justify it if Chief PNP was the one who is principal of that, Your Honor, Mr. Chair.
So when you say that the PNP is the biggest crime syndicate, it only pertains to illegal drugs?
Yes, Your Honor, Mr. Chair.
I see. Thank you, Mr. Chair. That would be